Grand Manor is manufactured with two full-size laminated shingles with randomly applied tabs attached to the top full shingle. Deep shadow lines result in a shingle with the authentic depth and dimension of natural slate. Additional product features include Streak Fighter and CertainTeed technology, as well as our exclusive Super Shingle construction, which offers 5 layers of protection when installed over underlayment. Grand Manor must be installed on slopes 2 and 12 and greater using nails that are corrosion resistant, 11 or 12 gauge, with a minimum 3/8 of an inch head and at least 1 1/2 inch long for clean decks. For low slope applications, approved CertainTeed waterproofing shingle underlayment is required to be installed over the entire deck surface. 5 nails are required for each full shingle, positioned 1 inch in from each edge, 8 5/8 inches up from the bottom, and evenly spaced. For standard or steep slope applications, CertainTeed recommends Diamond Deck or Roof Runner synthetic underlayment to be installed to the deck. For standard slope, 5 nails are required for each full shingle, positioned 1 inch in from each edge, 8 5/8 inches up from the bottom, and evenly spaced. For steep slope, 7 nails are required, with the 2 additional horizontally centered on the laminated tab and placed within 1 1/2 inches of the upper edge of the shingle itself. Additionally, 3 1-inch spots of asphalt roofing cement meeting ASTM D 4586 Type 2 are required, 1 inch in from the bottom outside corners and the third one centered from the bottom edge. 4 1/2 inch offset, single column, vertical racking method, 8-inch exposure. Using CertainTeed's high-performance starter shingles, cut 4 1/2 inches off the left end of the first starter shingle only and install the remaining 31 1/2 inch piece to the lower left end of the roof, overhanging rakes and eaves 1/2 inch if drip edges to be installed and 3/4 of an inch if no drip edges to be installed. 4 nails should be placed approximately 3 inches up from the eave into solid wood, avoiding placement into the starter sealant and located where they will be concealed by the tabs of the overlying shingle course. Continue with full 36-inch lengths of starter all along the eaves. First course. Install a full 18-inch by 36-inch Grand Manor shingle at the lower left corner of the roof, aligning flush with the edge of the starter course. Nail in place. Second course. Cut 4 1/2 inches off the left end and install the 31 1/2 inch piece aligning with the left edge of the first course. The tab bottom should align with the top of the range slot of the first course to ensure 8-inch exposure. Nail in place. Third course. Install a full 18-inch by 36-inch shingle. Nail in place, leaving the right end unfastened until later. Fourth course. Cut 4 1/2 inches off the left end and install the 31 1/2 inch piece aligning with the left edge of the third course. For subsequent courses, alternate full and cut shingles up the rake edge, keeping same fastening pattern, working 1 vertical column at a time, with each full shingle receiving 4 nails and each trim shingle receiving 5 nails. Across the roof, full shingles are to be butted against the right side of applied shingles in each course. When installing a shingle against a covered shingle, carefully lift the right edge of the shingle above and slip the new shingle under. Fasten as usual with 5 nails, then fasten the loose right edge of the shingle above. Repeat this procedure 1 column at a time to complete courses across the roof. CertainTeed Shingle Ridge is approved for hips and ridges. For additional information on Grand Manor installation, including blended applications with carriage house, please refer to the SAM or contact CertainTeed's Roofing Technical Services Department.